Hey guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for tuning in. And today's video is sponsored by SPTA. I'm joking, this video is not sponsored by them. I bought it with my own money. So as you can tell from the title of the video, we are going to be talking about paint correcting the C230 over there. We also got the CLK over here. I picked it up from RaceIQ just because we'll be heading to a meet this weekend and definitely would love to bring the car out, so that's why I have it here in the garage. But anyways, this video I'm pretty much going to be talking about this company right here, the stuff I bought from them to get this job done. And so, you know, it's going to be a fairly simple, not a simple project, but it's going to be a nice little project to get done on the C230. As you can tell, the C230 definitely needs a well paint corrected job on it. You can see the swirls on here. I hope you guys can see it, but you can see a lot of it on the paint. There's a lot of pollens on the paint actually. We're gonna get this car looking really nice and clean, like the way it looked from factory. So we're gonna be working on that. Once I get this done, actually, we'll probably do the same thing to the CLK, get the CLK looking nice and beautiful as well. But let me go ahead and basically show you guys exactly what I got for this job. I'm just gonna explain throughout the video how to do this job, and the next video we will be picking up on actually paint correcting the car with the polisher. But this company, basically found them on Amazon. SPTA. I've heard some really good reviews on this product actually. If you don't want to break the bank, I got this for about $88 on Amazon, and it does come with the compound, the polisher, and this I bought separately. This is chemical, guys. It's a polisher conditioner. This, shout out to my buddy Jason again. He recommended this to spray on the pads before applying this compound and the polisher on the pads, just so you know it's well lubricated and safe to use on the paint, so you don't really create much heat when you start using the compound and the polisher. Yeah, so that's that. Also, it didn't just come with these two pads, it came with a wax pad as well. This is the softest because obviously you go from step one, compound, polisher, and the wax. So this is the softest, and this is like in between, and this is kind of like the, I guess, the firmest out of all the pads. And it came with some other cool stuff as well. This is some really soft, pads also. Obviously this is the actual polisher. Let me grab it out here real quick and set it on here. This thing is beautiful. Weight itself is pretty nice. This is a pretty nice, nice rounded, balanced, weighted out polisher. It's got a good grip to it on the top. It also has other handles as well that you can put on to have a better grip from the top. But overall, pretty good stuff. Obviously you see this pad right here, this is much thicker than this right here, but I think I'm going to be using this instead of the bigger pad. What else did it come with? It came with some sanding paper, some P120 grit sandpapers, and it goes up and up from there. So yeah, that's pretty nice, guys. It's like a whole kit for 88 bucks. So you don't have to buy the compound or the polisher separately. The only thing I bought separately was the Chemical Guys conditioner, and I highly recommend this if you guys are going to do this job at home. And actually this, I'll talk about it a little bit also. This I got from Walmart. This is going to be some sort of ceramic coating after we're done, polishing the car, to protect the paint and just to protect it from any dirt in the near future or after we're done with this job. So For 88 bucks, that's pretty good. I will link the stuff in the description for you guys to check out as well if you guys do choose to get this done on your car. I'll kind of talk a little bit about each, you know, rubbing substance here. So this is the compound. This basically pretty much takes away all the scratches, the swirl scratches on the paint. It makes everything look nice and scratch free. So this stuff is really, really good stuff. You guys will see it as I work on the car and how I actually, you know, use the compound on the car. I'll also explain a little bit more into details as the time comes when I'm working on the car. This is the polisher. This is what makes it really shine. It just kind of gives it that nice shiny coat to it. This, you don't want to use too much of it, but it's going to get the job done fairly nice. And again, this is the conditioner you want to, you know, use to lubricate the pads, so you are not burning the paint on the car or you know, creating friction or heat as you use the compound and the polisher. These, I have two of these microfiber towels here. You want to have at least two. One for the compound. When you do use the compound and you're done, you clean it off, and once you're done with that, you basically, one of these are basically done, and the second one you use it in the polisher. You don't want to mix it between both substances. And obviously I explained what this is. Now this right here, this is a new product I'm actually going to be trying. I've seen some stuff on, you know, YouTube, and it looks like it works pretty well. This is a ceramic detailer. You know, it protects the paint. Also, it kind of gives it this protection from dust and just debris as you drive. And so, like, when you go wash your car the next time, you know, everything just gets cleaned off of the car just by water. And you could spray this on the car and just use one of these and just wipe it, and it cleans the car fairly well. It also creates this hydro glide, so, like, you know, when it rains, it just kind of bubbles on the car, keeping dirt away from it. So I'm definitely gonna give this a try and see how well this works after, you know, we're done paint correcting the car. This is the kit. I just wanted to show you guys real quick on here. Not a super long video, but I just wanted to, you know, let you guys know about this company. I'm gonna be tackling this in the next video, and I hope you guys actually, you know, excited to watch the next video, because I just want to introduce you guys to the new project we're going to be doing in the car for now. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and like the video as well, so, you know, others can see this video. And you guys have a safe one, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, take care.
Yeah.